Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to get a Chime credit card. Alright, this video is gonna be a quick one, so let's get right into it. The first step is to check eligibility. So you gotta ensure that you have a Chime spending account in good standing, and also you gotta verify your identity and address. Once you have those out of the way, what you want to do is to go ahead and log into your Chime mobile app or the website, and then navigate to credit builder or credit card section, and then tap or click apply now, and then review and agree to the terms and conditions. So once you're done with that, the next step is to provide required information. So you got to enter your personal and financial information, and then provide identification documents if required. Of course, that might be your driver's license, your passport, or whatever. And the fourth step is to review and confirm your application. So you got to review that and confirm that, and once you're done with that, you're going to receive a decision. So Chime will review your application and provide a decision. Now, if provided, you'll receive your credit limits and card details. So that's pretty much simple. And then the next step, of course, is the final step, is to activate your card. Now, once you receive your physical card, you got to activate it through the Chime app or website and set your PIN on your card. So that's pretty much all you need to do. Now, you got to take note that Chime credit card features no annual fees or interest, so you're not going to have to pay anything. And the credit card no credit card check required for application. As well, you gotta receive a spending limit on your Chime spending account activities, and you earn rewards on purchases such as 1% cashback. So these are all the things you're gonna enjoy with the Chime credit card. Now, there are some things to note when it comes to eligibility. So the first is you gotta be at least 18 years old. The second is you got to be a US resident, and the third is you must have a Chime spending account in good standing. You don't meet any of these three requirements, then you're not going to be able to activate that card. A couple of tips for you guys: make sure make on-time payments and keep utilizations low. Likewise, you got to check your credit scores regularly to track your progress and make sure everything is in good place. And a final tip is to earn rewards on purchases and redeem them for cash or other rewards. So these are things you definitely want to pay attention to. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did like the video, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Share this video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.